morning to all of you. Now we are in chapter number 3, decimals. Today I will tell you addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. Now I start from addition and subtraction. Firstly children, one important thing, firstly you have to complete exercise number 3A, then start 3B. Now we are in 3B, addition and subtraction. Add the following: 15, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.77. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. How to write these numbers? Firstly, convert the given decimals into like decimals. See here, there is only one digit after decimal, two digits, one digit and two digits. Maximum number of digits are 2. Now convert in like decimals. 15 is a whole number. यहाँ पर decimal number नहीं है. Write down 2 zeros. 8.7, 8.70, 0.94, 6.80, 7.77. These are like decimals. Now start addition. Three. 39.21, 39.21. Now next one is subtract 63.47 from 82.6. Convert into like decimals. फ्रॉम आपको पहले भी मैंने प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में बताया था कि फ्रॉम के बाद की संख्या पहले आती है. सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम दिस. फर्स्टली राइट दिस नंबर 82.60 and 63.47. Now subtract 10 minus 7, 3, 5 minus 4, 1, 12 minus 3, 9, 7 minus 6, 1, 19.13. Now exercise 3B, next question is what should be added to 36.85 to get 72? मीन्स इसमें क्या जोड़ा जाएगा जो 72 मिलेगा. लेट द required number be x. According to question, 36.85 plus x equal to 72. X equal to 72 minus 36.85 equal to 35.15. Just like this, what should be subtracted? Next question, what should be subtracted? Listen children, one important thing is here, what should be subtracted, what should be added, what must be subtracted, what must be added, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा। आपने लार्ज नंबर से, बड़े नंबर से स्मॉलर नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, बट बाय यूजिंग प्रोसेस लाइक दिस। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, बाय हाउ मच शुड 47.3 बी डिक्रीज्ड, इसमें से कितना कम किया जाएगा, जो 15.78 आंसर होगा। आप अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 47.3 minus x equal to 15.78, let the required number be x. X equal to 47.3 minus 15.78. The 1.52 is correct answers. Answer. Yes, children. After addition and subtraction, we will start multiplication of decimals. There are two types of multiplications. First is by a whole number, by a whole number. Multiply the decimal without the decimal point by the given whole number. You know 347 multiplied by 10 equal to 347. Simple multiplication. Multiply the decimal without the decimal point by the given whole number. Number 2, mark the decimal point in the product to have as many places of decimals there are in the given decimal. How many places are here after decimal? One place, only one place. Now put decimal here before one place. Here before one place, one digit decimal, and here is also before one digit decimal. Correct. Now answer is 347. Suppose 34.7 multiplied by 100. Answer will be 3, 4, 7 and double 0. Simple multiplication. Now put decimal again. One digit. Your answer will be 3,470. By a whole number. Next question is 0.003 multiplied by 100. Simple multiplication. 3 multiplied by 100. 300. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. Decimal is before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Answer क्या आ गया? Answer is 0.3. Now again 182 and 3. Simple multiplication. How many digits are here? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put decimal here. What is your answer? Answer is 180. Now next part is by a decimal, multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Multiplicand, multiplier both are in decimals. 7.6 multiplied by 2.4. Simple multiplication. 6 4 are 24. 1824. Now, how many digits are here? Before one digit decimal, and here is also before one digit. 1 and 1, 2 digits. Decimal here. In this case, multiply the two decimal without the decimal point. पहले आपको simple multiplication कर देना है. Mark the decimal point in the product in such a way that the number of decimal places in product is equal to the sum of the decimal places in the given decimals. How many places? One place and one place. Means two places. We will put decimal before two places. 18.24 is correct. One more question. 3.45. In question number 1, 3.45 multiplied by 6.3. 3.45 multiplied by 6.3. Now, firstly, simple multiplication. 345 multiplied by 63. You will get 21,735. But see, decimal places before one digit decimal. Here is decimal before one digit 1, and here is decimal before two digits. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Next question is saying evaluate 1.2 means simple multiplication. 12 multiplied by 12 equal to 144. Question is 1.2 multiplied by 1.2. 1 and 1. Next is 0.3 multiplied by 0.3. 3 3s are 9, but decimal is before one digit and 1. Means 1 and 1, 2 digits before. This is your answer. 1 digit and 1 digit, 2 digits. There is also 2 before one digit, before one digit, 1 and 1, 2 digit, and 1 and 1, 2 digits. But here cube 1.5 cube means 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. Simple multiplication. Two 25 multiplied by 15. Simple multiplication. 15 multiplied by 15, 225. Again multiply by 15, 3,375. Count the digits before one digit and one digit. 1, 2 and 3. Put decimal before 3 digits. 1, 2 and 3. Two questions are completed. Next, you are having 4 problems. But I will tell you one problem. A meter of cloth, a meter of cloth costs rupees 158.50 50 पैसा 158 रुपये 50 पैसा. What is the cost of 4.5 meter of cloth? If a meter of cloth costs rupees 158, what is the cost of 4.5? The cost of equal to 158.50 multiplied by 4. If a meter of cloth cost 1 मीटर कपड़े की कीमत है 158 रुपये 50 पैसे. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4.5 मीटर, ज़्यादा का निकालने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई 1 का दिया है, ज़्यादा का निकालना है तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, और ज़्यादा का दिया और कम का निकालना है तो उसके लिए डिवीज़न करेंगे रुपीज़. The cost of 4.5 meter of cloth equal to multiplication, simple multiplication, then put decimals before 1, 2 and 3 digits. आपका आंसर आएगा 0.250. बट यू नो 1 रुपये इक्वल टू 100 पाइस. आपका आंसर जाएगा 713 रुपीज़ और 25 पाइस. Now children, 3 exercises are completed, 3A, B and C. Complete these exercises at home, and in next video we will start division of decimals. Okay, bye.